दीपेश हैज बीन अरेस्टेड एंड उसका वही रोल है जो मिरांडा सैमुअल का था, प्रोक्योर करवाना और उसको हैंडल करना, और उसी प्रोविजंस में उसको अरेस्ट किया गया क्योंकि उसके पास कुछ ऐसी कॉर्पोरेटिव एविडेंस है जो हमें आगे फर्दर क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए चाहिए। एज फार एज समन्स आर कंसर्न, आज किसी को समन नहीं दिए गए। दीपेश और इनकी क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन चल रही है। ये लोग हमारे पास 9th तक हैं, सो लेट अस यूज आवर टाइम जुडिशियसली एंड लेट देम बी इंटेरोगेटेड प्रॉपर्ली।
has happened after any statements given by Souvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda?
It is based on the statement, it is based on the technical evidence, it is based on the various digital evidences. Yes. जी, दीपेश सावंत को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है।
किन सेक्शन में गिरफ्तार किया है? क्या कहीं ना कहीं
देखिए वही केस में अरेस्ट हुआ है, सिमिलर सैमुअल मिरांडा, और वही रोल दीपेश सावंत का है जो सैमुअल मिरांडा का रोल रहा है।
सर, कल रिया को पूछताछ के लिए नहीं बुलाया जाएगा, इसका मतलब आपने कहा कि पहले क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन की जाएगी?
क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन चल रहा है, अभी हमारा क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन अभी भी चल रहा है। तो क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन इनका जो इनका जो पुलिस कस्टडी एनसीबी कस्टडी ली है उसकी जस्टिफिकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग और जो प्रोसीजर है वो फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली इनको क्रॉस एग्जामिन करने के बाद ही हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेंगे।
It's very interesting, sir. The 3 people who have been arrested in the last 24 hours, Souvik Chakraborty, Samuel Miranda, and Dipesh Sawant, they all had access to Sushant Singh Rajput's house. All of them had access, and Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda were there on
short questions. Yes.
Sir, please, sir, please. My question, please, sir. One response. Yeah.
I could not get your question.
Yeah, so I'm saying, sir, all the 3 people who have been arrested in the last 24 hours incidentally had access to Sushant Singh Rajput's house. Did they drug Sushant Singh Rajput? Has there been any such admission?
Look, our case of investigation is about trail of NDPS. Your specific question cannot be answered by the investigating agency as NCB.
सर, कल 11 बजे पेश किया जाएगा इनको?
Yes, मैंने अभी we have issued a press note, I think it has just हमने अभी प्रेस नोट दिया है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग 11 बजे कल दीपेश सावंत को कोर्ट में पेश करेंगे। द सेम कोर्ट 11।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
All right, so you heard the reaction coming in. Let's go.
Let me go, please. No one-to-one, please. Statement done.
सर प्लीज चलो आगे, सर चलो आगे।
No one-to-one. Statement given.
Excuse me, sir.
All right, so you heard the latest that we are picking up from the NCB official himself. A big revelation. Dipesh Sawant has been arrested. He'll be produced in the court next. Let's see if we can go across to Tamal. Tamal, the official they're informing कि जो शौविक और सैमुअल के खिलाफ charges है about procurement, उसी charges के तहत Dipesh also has been arrested.
That's right. In fact, I'll ask my camera person Suraj Pandey to come to this side. Okay. Yes, KPS Malhotra has just confirmed that Dipesh Sawant has been arrested under the same sections of the same FIR, on the basis of which Souvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda had been arrested. He's saying the sections involve procurement of drugs. I did ask him that it is a matter of great curiosity and interest that all the 3 people who have been arrested in the past 24 hours, Souvik Chakraborty, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda, all had access to Sushant Singh Rajput's house. Well, he says that their investigation is essentially into the sections of NDPS, and they are primarily focusing on misuse of drugs, procurement of drugs, consumption of drugs. It is extremely significant development which is happening late on Saturday evening. Dipesh Sawant has been arrested after having confronted with Souvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda. In fact, I did ask him specifically as whether there had been statements given by Souvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda which had in a way put Dipesh Sawant on a stickier ground. He said yes, the arrest has happened on the basis of statements, which means Souvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda have given out statements which have have necessitated the arrest of Dipesh Sawant. In fact, Swati, this yesterday around the same time, around 10:30, Dipesh Sawant was brought here at the NCB office and he was taken inside in a very hush-hush manner. We were told that cross-examination happened between Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda and Shouvik Chakraborty that lasted till about 3 in the morning.
All right.
And in less than 24 hours after he was brought here, he has now been arrested. He will be produced before the court tomorrow. So
Okay.
it's confirmed Dipesh Sawant has been arrested. Third arrest in less than 24 hours.
Right.
Overall, 8th arrest in less than 10 days done by NCB.
All right.